Getting ready to take down 1, 2, 3, 4. We have about 7 trees that we're going to be removing. We have a sand pine right now we're taking down. How it's still standing is beyond me, I think, because there's a lot of trees around it, but sand pines are notorious for coming down in high winds. They have very shallow root systems. Not a strong tree at all. It's a good tree to get rid of if you have it in your yard. They're lightning rods, but plus they are not a good tree to keep in your yard. So if you have a sand pine, you need to look at getting rid of it, because eventually Mother Nature will win out and she will take your tree out.